If Telegram is showing an internal error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a network issue, a VPN conflict, or a corrupted DNS cache, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to get Telegram working again, and I'll also show you the safest way to test whether the problem is coming from your connection. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is turn off any active VPN or proxy service. Telegram can sometimes fail to connect properly when a VPN is running, especially if the VPN server is overloaded, blocked, or causing a routing issue. So if you have a VPN app open on your phone or computer, disconnect it completely. If you are using a proxy inside Telegram, open Telegram settings and make sure that proxy is turned off as well. After that, try reopening Telegram and check if the internal error is gone. If the app still isn't working, the next step is to reset your network settings on Windows. This is one of the best fixes when Telegram is having trouble connecting because it clears out broken network settings and refreshes your connection path. To do this, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Once the black command prompt window opens, type netgh winsock reset and press Enter. Wait for the message that confirms the reset was completed successfully. This command resets the Windows network sockets and often fixes connection problems caused by corrupt settings. Next, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can remove bad or outdated address records that may be stopping Telegram from reaching its servers. After running both commands, restart your computer to make sure the changes fully take effect. When your device turns back on, open Telegram again and test it. If you still see the internal error, the issue may be related to your current internet connection. Sometimes a Wi-Fi network, router, or ISP can block certain Telegram requests without you realizing it. To check this, switch to a different internet connection. For example, try another Wi-Fi network if one is available, or turn on a mobile hotspot from your phone and connect your device to that instead. This is a very useful test because if Telegram starts working on a different network, you'll know the issue is probably with your original internet connection, not with the app itself. If the hotspot works, restart your router, wait about a minute, and then try your original Wi-Fi again. In many cases, that alone can clear up the connection problem. Now let's quickly recap the fix. First, turn off any VPN or proxy. Second, reset your network using netgh winsock reset and ipconfig flush DNS. Third, switch internet connections to test whether your Wi-Fi or ISP is blocking Telegram. These 3 steps solve a lot of Telegram internal error issues and can save you from reinstalling the app or wasting time on unnecessary troubleshooting. If this video helped you get Telegram working again, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and tech repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.